Morning, children. How are you all? Welcome back to our online mathematics class. Children, hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Okay? So, what we are doing, ma? We are doing the chapter How Many Squares. In last class, what we discussed? In last class, what we discussed, ma? We discussed about area and perimeter.
Perimeter.
So, area by counting squares. Okay, area by counting squares. Okay. Now, once let us rewind the topic once. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Shall we find the area of this figure? How can we find ma, the area of this figure? By counting squares. If we have full squares, we will count it as 1. If we have half square, we will count it as half. If it is more than half, we will take it as 1. If it is less than half, we will take it as 0. So here in this figure, we have only full squares and half squares. So let us count how many full squares we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 whole squares we have. And how many half squares, ma? 1,
4, ma'am.
2, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 half squares. Here also we have half, ma. So 6 half means what, ma? Half of 6 means how much?
3, ma'am.
Yes, half of
square.
6 means 3 it is. So already we have 16 full squares and plus 3 equals to, which is nothing but, what did it say?
19 square units.
19
19
square units.
units.
Very good. So let us see this figure, ma. Observe this figure here. Here also we have full squares and half squares. Okay. First of all, we have to count the full squares. Okay. So count 1, 2,
1, 2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
6,
5,
7.
6, 7.
So how many full squares we have here? 7
7
full
full
squares.
squares.
How many half squares we have? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
and 5. So 5 half square means
5.
2.5 squares it
2.5.
is. So what is its total area, ma? What is its total area? 7 plus 2.5. How
9
much?
square units.
Very good. 9.5
square units.
square units. 9.5 square units. Its
Square
area
units.
is 9.5 square units.
Oh,
Shall
square
we
units.
do one more?
Yes, ma'am.
See here. So here in this irregular figure, we can take shapes. That means what we are doing, we are making rectangles in this. So how many full squares here we have? It is clear. 12 full squares we have. And can we have half squares here? Check it once. No half squares.
No, teacher.
It is 0. And more than half, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than half squares, we have 6. And less than half? Less than half means we will count it as 0.
0.
So total, what is the total area? Total area is 18 centimeters square. Or square centimeter. We can call it as square centimeter or centimeter square also. Okay, ma? Now, let us see the leaf here clearly. So, the instruction is given for us. One full square count as 1. And more than half we will count it as 1. Less than half we will count it as 0. Now, we have to find the area of this leaf. Okay? So, let us start. Here. So, one tabular form is given for us. In that, we have to covered area. How much we have to write? Number of squares and area. Okay? Full squares. Full squares, how many you have count, ma? How many full squares you have count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 13,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50,
51, 52,
51,
56,
53, 54, 55, 57,
58, 59,
59,
60,
60.
61, 62, 63. So,
63.
how many are there ma full squares? 63. So, 1 into 63, 63 first. Okay. Next, half filled squares, how many you have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 half filled squares. Means half into 3, which is nothing but 1.5 or 1.5 we can write. Okay. Next, more than half. How many you have? Count. More than half. How many you have?
2, 3, 4, 14, ma'am.
Yes. How many?
14.
Yes, ma. 14 you have. Yes, ma. More than half squares, how many you have? 14 we have.
14.
So, 14 into 1, 14.
14.
And less than half, how many you have, ma? Less than half. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 less than half means 0 into 14, 0. Now we need to add all these area. So find out the total area, ma. What is its total area? Find it out. And by adding all the things, all the values. 63 plus 14. 77. 77 plus 1.5.
Ma'am, 78 and half.
78 and half, which is nothing but 78.5 also we can write. So 78.5 square units. The area of the leaf is 78.5 square units. Did you understand, ma, how to count?
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Here 2 pictures are given for us. Okay. So they are asking that is the area of blue shape more than the area of yellow shape? Why? We have to write the reason also. Area of blue shape is more than area of yellow shape. So how to find? So here first what we are going to do is we are finding the area of yellow shape. Area of yellow shape how much, ma? Count the squares there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each side is 4 centimeters. Okay. Each side is 4 centimeters and it is a square. So area
16.
side is
16.
side. Yes, very good, ma. So 16 square units or square centimeters. 16 square
ma'am.
centimeters. Now here we need to find the area of this triangle. Okay. So area of triangle, what is its formula? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Okay. So while observing this one, while measuring with scale, this will be 6.8 centimeters. I will show you, ma, by measuring.
We can see.
Yes. So area of this diagonal is the length of this diagonal is 6.8 centimeters. So that when this is the square what we have, ma. Okay. This is the square what we have exactly. And here what happened is this square can be divided into 2 halves and place it side by side. Okay. So like this. See here. Okay.
Find in 2 ways, by counting squares or by using formula. So what is its formula? Half into base into height. Okay. So half into what is its base, ma? 8 into here what is its height? 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. So the side is here 4 centimeters. Okay. So you keep it here. So what is this, ma? Here it is 4 centimeters. So when we are keeping it here, we are getting here also 4 centimeters. So the height is 4 centimeters here. So 4 4 is 16 square centimeters. So area of triangle is equal to area of square. That means area of blue shape is equal to area of yellow shape. Both are equal. Why? Because that square is, here the square is cut into 2 equal parts and then placed as a triangle like this here. Okay. So the 2 pieces were placed like this to form a triangle. Now another question we have. Is the perimeter of the yellow shape is more than the perimeter of the blue shape? Here we need to find out the perimeter also. So perimeter. What is the perimeter, ma? Perimeter of square is 4 into side, which is nothing but 4 into 4, 16 centimeters here. Now we need to find the perimeter of rectangle. Sorry, perimeter of triangle. Here we need to find out the perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle means sum of all sides. So we know that clearly it is the square is cut it into half diagonally and placed as a triangle. Now check this. This is 6.8. What is its length, ma? This is 6.8. This is 4. This is 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, so this was placed like this as a triangle. The 2 parts were placed like this as a triangle. Then what is this side, ma? 6.8. This side also will become 6.8. This is 4. This is 4. So total sum of all sides we need to find out, which is nothing but 6.8 plus 6.8 plus 8. 4 plus 4, 8 total. So which is nothing but 21.6 centimeters. So perimeter of yellow shape is how much, ma? You have 16 centimeters, and perimeter of triangle blue shape is 21.6 centimeters. So we know that 16 centimeters is less than 21.6 centimeters. So the perimeter of yellow shape, the perimeter of yellow shape is less than the perimeter of blue shape. So is it clear, children? I hope you understand this.
Here, first find the perimeter of square. Perimeter how much, ma? 4 into side, which is nothing but 4 into 4, 16 centimeters. Now, area of square. Side into side, which is nothing but, that also 4 into 4, 16 centimeters. Square.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Rohit is mute.
Now, so this become a 1, 2, 3, 4. What we done now? So this square is divided into 2 triangles and placed like this. So this diagonal will become here 6.8 centimeters. Here 6.8 centimeters. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 centimeters. Here 4 centimeters. Okay. Now area of the square is nothing but area of the triangle. Okay. Area of triangle we will find. Okay, so count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, here it is half. Both 14, 15. And here both half 16. So area of triangle is 16 square units. Area of triangle is 16 square units. And now triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Okay, perimeter count ma sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. This total will become 8 centimeters. Okay, 3 sides it has. 6.8 centimeters plus 6.8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. Find it out, ma.
20 centimeters,
20,
ma'am.
20 plus 1.6, 21.6 it is. Okay. Add it, ma. 6.8, 6.8, 8.0. 16, 1 carry forward. 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 1, 21.6 centimeters. Now,
21 point.
the area of both figures is equal. Okay, area of square and area of triangle is equal. As well as what about the perimeter, ma? Perimeter of square is less than perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of square is less than perimeter of triangle. Is it less or more, ma? Perimeter of square is how much you have? 16 square centimeters. And perimeter of triangle, how much you have? Perimeter of triangle, how much you have? 21.6 centimeters. So 16 is less than 21.6 centimeters. So we can say that perimeter of yellow shape is less than perimeter of blue shape. Perimeter of yellow shape is less than perimeter of blue shape. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Perimeter of square is less than perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of square is less than perimeter of triangle. Whose footprint is larger, yours or your friends? How you will decide? So how you will find the area of the footprint, ma? By tracing the footprint on a graph sheet and by counting squares, we can find the area of the
Ma'am,
figure.
using scale also we can using thread and scale.
That is perimeter. Using thread and scale, we can find perimeter. What is
Okay.
area? The surface covered by the figure.
Figure.
By counting squares or by using formula, we can find. So footprint is an irregular shape. So what we will do? By counting squares, we can find the area of the footprint. Okay, see here, some animals' footprints are given for us. Here, guess the area of their footprints. Okay, so here hen footprint is given for us. So count the area, ma, tell me. Where you have half squares, where you have more than half. So more than half, we will count it as 1. Okay, so these two are half of. This is more than half. So 1 plus 1, area of hen's foot is 2 square centimeters. Okay.
2 square centimeters.
Now, count dog footprint, ma. Find out.
1, 2, 3. Ma'am,
Yeah,
3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, ma'am.
8. So, area of dog
8 square
footprint
units,
is
ma'am.
8 square centimeters. 8 square units.
So, here, this is the big footprint of tiger. So, what we will do is, by counting all the squares we can do. Instead of that, the easiest way, we have to make as possible as the rectangles. Okay, how many big rectangles we can make? We can big rectangles or squares. In this we can make each, and later we can find the remaining squares by counting squares. So here first one rectangle is here 9 into 7. So 9 sevens are how much, ma? 63. Here we have 63. Okay. So 63 here we have. Now 6 twos are 12. Next 5 ones are 5.
5.
3 twos are 6. Again 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. One more 3 3s are 9. Next here 7 3s are 21.
21.
And later on some more are left here. Observe this. After making the rectangles and triangles, some more are left. So for them we need to count. That is easy for us now. Let's squares counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that, how many we have ma total? Total 42 squares are there. So by adding all these, we can find the area of tiger's footprint is 173 square centimeters.
Meters.
Area of tiger's footprint is 173 square centimeters. Okay, ma? So like this, we have to find the footprint of any animal or any object. Area of any object. Okay. We can find the area of any object by counting squares. By counting squares. Okay, ma? See here. Here, some figures are given for you.
2D.
So, what is that? This triangle area, ma? Count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Square
square
centimeters.
centimeters.
This
Like this
इसका
square.
perimeter area 9 square
9 square
centimeters.
centimeters. This shape. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are less than, Sima. Less than squares. Less than squares. So, it will become 0. So, its area will become only
4
1, 2,
square
3, 4, 4 square
centimeters.
centimeters. So, observe this, ma. This is half of the square. This is half of the square. Two halves we have. Half plus half, how much? 1. Half plus half, 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, area of this shape
5
is
square
5 square centimeters. So, like this, we have to find the area of the remaining pictures also. Okay, ma? Now, see here. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. Area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeters. So, the area of blue triangle is. Here, one rectangle is given for us. What is its length, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is its breadth? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is given clearly. Area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeters or centimeter square. And it is given that blue triangle is half of the area of rectangle. Blue triangle is half of the area of rectangle. Half of 20 means what? Half of 20? 10.
10
So,
square centimeters.
area of blue triangle will become 10 centimeters.
10 square
10 centimeters.
Or 10 square centimeters. Okay.
10 square units. Sorry.
Next. See here. Here, this rectangle is divided into two parts. Okay. This rectangle is divided into two parts. One is orange part, another one is green one. Is it clear to all of you first? In that,
Yes, ma'am.
in that one triangle is drawn. One triangle is drawn in that. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the area of two rectangles and area of the triangle also. Both we need to find. Area of rectangle and area of triangle. So, first let us see the orange rectangle. What is the area of orange rectangle, ma? Don't see about triangle, only rectangle.
12, ma'am.
How much? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes.
12, ma'am.
So,
12, ma'am.
12 square centimeters. What about green, ma?
Teacher, 8. 8, ma'am.
8.
ma'am.
So, now we need to find out the orange portion. Let us divide the triangle into two parts. See here. This is the triangle. We are making the triangle into two parts. Okay. So, this part is half of orange rectangle. This part is half of green rectangle, isn't it? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, teacher.
This part is half of orange rectangle. This part is half of green rectangle. So orange rectangle area 12 square centimeters. In that half will become 6
Teacher, 6.
centimeters. This is area is 8 centimeter square. In that
Teacher,
half
4.
4. So 6 plus 4 will become
10.
6 plus 4 will become 10
10.
square centimeters. So area of the triangle will become 10 square centimeters. Area of triangle will become 10 square centimeters. 6 plus 4, 10 centimeters square are square centimeters. Is it clear to all of you, or shall I explain on board?
No. Yes. No. Okay.
Did you understand, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. See here. Suruchi drew 2 sides of a shape. She asked Ashif to complete the shape with 2 more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeters. So what happened? Ashif completed the figure like this. Okay. Here we have some questions. Is he correct? Let us discuss. So it should be 10 square centimeters. Okay. Let us count how many. What is the area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is more than half. That's why I am counting it as full square. Okay. 6 and 7. How many half squares here we have, ma? Here 2
7,
means
ma'am.
1, 8. Here 2 means 1, 9. Okay. And here 1 and here 1, 10. Okay. So here we have 10 squares. That means he is correct. Asif is correct. His figure is correct. Why? Because it is having 10 square centimeters. Okay. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeters and the yellow area is 6 square centimeters. 4 means here 1, 2, these 2, 3, and here a half. 2 halves will become 1. So here 2 complete squares and 4 half squares we have. So 4 half means 2 we are getting. So 2 plus 2, 4 centimeter square. And yellow shape contains how much? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 complete squares we have. 2 more than half squares we have. 2 half squares we have. So 3 complete squares 3. 2 more than half 2. And 2 half means half into 2, 1. So total it will become 6 centimeter square. So like this, by counting squares, we can find the area of the given figures. Now, see this, ma. This is one side of a shape. This is one side of a shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeters. Can anyone do, ma? Can anyone do? Do it, Samhita.
Yes, teacher.
The one side of the shape is given for us. We have to draw.
Ma'am,
Another-
Pratulhari, can I do?
Yeah, do it.
Teacher, we can make it triangle.
Yes, very good. Do it, ma. You can draw, I think so. I will give access to you. You can draw. Try to draw this. Try to complete this, Samhita, here.
It's not showing.
Ujjwala. I am saying to Samhita to complete the figure. Yes, very good. And one more shape, one more side. Yes, very good. Now you can observe this, ma. Very good, ma. You can observe this here. 1 full square.
Ma'am, I did not do.
Here 3 and 2 halves. Here 1. 3. This is 4. So area of the given figure is here. Completed figure is 4 square centimeters.
Centimeters. Ma'am, I
Yes,
did
ma'am.
not do it.
Ma'am, should I rub it?
Yes, ma'am. So area of the given shape is 4 square centimeters. Okay, ma'am. Now let us do the next one. Now here observe this, ma'am. 2 sides of the shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides so that its area is less than 2 square centimeters. Joy, do this.
Ma'am,
Joy.
diamond.
Ma'am, pentagon.
The last one I did not do this.
Pentagon, ma'am.
Ma'am, diamond. Ma'am, diamond.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we can do pentagon.
Not pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides, Nama. You have to draw 2 more sides.
Ma'am, diamond.
But here, see, observe this, ma'am, more than. Here, what you are getting? Here, half square, here, half square. So, completely area will become 1 square. But we need less than 2. Here, 2, it is equal to 2. Less than 2. Kadir, that also wrong. We need to get less than 2 squares. Not 1 joy. 2 line segments you have to draw. 2 more sides you have to draw. But it should be less than. It should be less than 2 square centimeters. No. Laina also trying. Ujjwala also trying. Okay then. Leave it, ma. I will tell you. Yeah, Satvik, do you want to do? Shivakarthik, do
Yes.
it, ma. Remaining all of you, please stop. Remaining all of you, please stop. All of you. Shivakarthik will do. Shivakarthik, try it, ma. Shivakarthik, try it. Where you are drawing, ma, Shivakarthik? No. 2 sides you have to draw, ma, not 1 side. You have to draw 2 sides. Okay, then leave it. I will tell you how to do. Okay, yeah. Now, let us see. See here. This is less than half. When it is less than half, we are getting 0 there. Okay. So here also this is less than half. So what is happening? Its area is, what is its area, ma? Its area will become here.
1 square.
Yes. Here we
1
are
square.
getting half. Here we are getting half. This is less than half means the value will become 0. So what is the total area here? 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter which is less than 2. Okay. Which is less than 1 means less than 2 only na. Is it clear to all of you how to do it?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, ma. Now let us do one more problem. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeters. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into equal triangles. Who will do? Samhita. Yes, do it, ma, Samhita. Only Samhita will do. Remaining, please don't try. I will give chance to everyone.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, but I will not do.
Samhita, are you doing?
Ma'am, it is not appearing, ma'am.
Okay, then leave it, ma. Pranavi, do it, ma. Next time, better like Samhita. Pranavi.
I also not appearing. Ma'am, please share the pencil, ma'am.
No need, ma. You have to take from yours.
Ma'am, we don't have
Ma'am,
like
there
this.
is no.
Try it then. Now is it
There
possible?
is no option, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Option is not there.
We do that, ma'am. Yeah, pencil option is not there, ma'am.
Pranavi, do it, ma. Make it half using one side, one straight line. That means divide it into two equal triangles. You have to divide the given rectangle into two equal triangles. Triangles, Pranavi. Triangles. Make it fast. Yeah, who will do? Raise your hand, ma.
Ma'am, Ujjwala.
Ujjwala, try, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Harry, your chance is over.
Sorry, ma'am.
Hey, no problem, ma. It's okay. Yes, make it fast, Ujjwala. No, we need triangles, not rectangles. You have to divide it into two triangles.
Ma'am.
Laina, next chance for Laina. Laina, try it. No, only one line you have to draw. You have to draw only one straight line to make the rectangle into two equal triangles. Yeah, then final chance goes to Harry.
Triangle for rectangle.
Harry?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Who is that?
Pratibha, ma'am.
Oh, Pratibha, do it, ma.
Teacher, can I do?
Wait, wait. Who is that? Can I? Between, you have to say your name.
Ma'am,
Teacher Abdul.
ma'am, square, ma'am.
No.
Next.
Next,
Rectangle, ma'am. This is rectangle.
next, who want to try? Yes. Kadir. Correct. But it should not come straightly. Okay, I will show you. Yeah. Kadir, he is nearby the answer. Okay. Yes, ma. Yeah, see here. So area is here, area of the rectangle is 20 square centimeters. And see here, like this we can make, using one straight line, we can divide the rectangle into two equal triangles. Okay. Using one straight line, this straight line, we can divide the rectangle into two equal triangles. Then what is the area of the triangle, ma? It is half of the rectangle. Area of triangle is half of the rectangle. So area of rectangle is, we have 20 square centimeters. Then obviously area of triangle, what? How much, ma?
10 centimeters.
Oh, no, 10 square centimeters. Okay. Area of rectangle is 10 square centimeters. Area of triangle is 10 square centimeters. Okay, ma? Next. Here one more question for you. Now observe it and tell me clearly. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. Nirikshan, will you do, ma? Now we need to make it into two equal rectangles. Two equal rectangles.
Ma'am,
Ma'am. Ma'am, Ujjwala.
Ujjwala. Do it, ma, Ujjwala.
Ma'am, pencil, ma'am.
Yeah, giving you sharing. Yes. Do it, ma. Only one straight line, ma. You have to use only one straight line.
Teacher, can I do?
Wait. If no one complete, then I will give a chance to you. Pranavi,
Ma'am, is that correct?
No. Yeah. Yeah, who done this? Blue color mark. Joy. Okay.
Prajwal, ma'am. Prajwal also, ma'am.
Prajwal
Ma'am,
also.
before that I did.
Prajwal, Hari.
Yes, this also correct, ma. And like this also we can do. Yes. See, like this also we can divide. Okay. So in two ways, both are correct only. Okay. So area of big triangle is, big rectangle is, how much, ma? Area of big rectangle is
Centimeters.
20 square centimeter.
Square centimeters.
So smaller rectangle will become
Square centimeters.
20 by 10, 20 by 2, which is nothing but 10 square centimeters. Okay, ma? This is the smaller rectangle. This is the bigger rectangle. Is it clear to all of you? Now, one more question. See here. Draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. Here we have to draw two straight lines to make one rectangle and two equal triangles. Try it.
Ma'am,
Yes. Wait. Who will try, ma? Devira. Try, ma, Devira. Arrow marks you are doing. Everybody is trying. Yes, Tabitha Mala is correct. Yes, very good. Yes, Aniket wrong. Joy also correct. Yes. Okay, then stop it, ma. Stop it. Ayyo.
Prajwal, Hari. Ma'am, Tabitha Mala,
What is this?
I'm not getting. Ma'am, I'm not getting the option of rename.
Yes. Okay then. Yeah. Now Harry done correctly and then Joy also done correctly. Let us see how to divide. Okay, ma. See here. This is the rectangle and this can be divided into two equal triangles. Like this also you can draw. Like this also you can draw. That's why I said Joy also correct. Okay, ma. So here we need to find the area of rectangle and area of triangle. So area of rectangle, how much, ma? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So area of rectangle is 10 here. So area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Every class.
Yeah. So what is the area of rectangle, ma? Half of the area of big rectangle. So big rectangle is 20. So half of the small rectangle is 10. Okay. So here the breadth is 2, length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 2s are 10 square centimeters. Then what about the area of triangles? Area of triangle is half of the area of small rectangle. So half into area of smaller rectangle, which is nothing but 5 square
5 square centimeters.
So next here you have activity time. Now you have to do these activities. Puzzle with 5 squares. So here in this you have to draw any 5 squares, ma. 5 squares. Okay. This graph sheet. Okay. So here like this you can draw. How many you can? 12 5 squares you can draw, ma. Then what you have to find is which shape is having less than less perimeter. Which shape is having less perimeter? For that, what we need to do? We need to find out the perimeter of all the 12 shapes. See, for first shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. So 11 centimeters like that. You have to find out perimeter for all the shapes. From that, which shape is having lesser perimeter? So which shape is having lesser perimeter? Which shape is having more perimeter? That you have to answer the questions, ma. And you have to find out the area of shapes. That is clear. Area of shape is equal. Why? Because each shape is formed with only 5 squares only. So area of all the squares will become 5 centimeters square only. Okay, and now here you have Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with a square of 2 centimeters side and made shapes like this. From these shapes, you have to make designs, some patterns. Okay, so like these patterns you have to make. So you have to make the patterns. I will show you the patterns. I will share the textbook to you. You can see from textbook also. Now, so already this was assigned to you. So no one done it. Again, I am giving the work to you. Trace 10 rupee note on graph paper or in your classwork. Measure its length and breadth. Find the area and perimeter. So like this example also I am giving for you. Okay. Now, the next one is trace your hand on a squared sheet on graph paper. Find the area of your hand. So like this you have to find the area of your hand. Okay, ma? That's all for today's class, ma. We will meet in the next class. Complete the work and submit it to me.